What up? Happy Friday. Coming to you live from the Jimny right now. I wanted to do a cool little POV drive because I've been daily driving this car for a couple days now. Like literally not touching the Bravo at all. And I don't know if I'm jumping the gun, but I do think I'm going to sell my Bravo very soon. So as a car YouTuber, an automotive channel, you have to invest back into your business if you want to grow. So when I bought the Jimny, I knew that it was going to be mostly for content. I didn't really think I was going to like it this much. I didn't really care about it. It was half the price of my Bravo, basically. And it was like, you know, not that far away. Cool guy selling it. He looked like he was a trustworthy dude. And I was like, I'm just going to make a couple videos on the car. I'll sell it in a month or two. I'm going to make it nice. That's why I put a radio, did sound deadening, stuff like that. You know, just make the car better without going crazy. Like, I didn't want to paint it or wrap it or do nothing, like, wild like that. And after driving it, I'm not going to lie, I really like it. And I just feel like the Bravo it's done everything I wanted to do and more, honestly. I just feel like, I don't know if you guys still want to see Bravo content. I really can't imagine, like, what else I can show you about it. Like, I drove it. We already saw that. I drove it 5 hours to Baltimore and back. I drove it to Boston and back. I've showed you guys the swivelly chairs a million times. I just feel like the Bravo, like, you know, it did what it had to do. And now I have the Jimny, which, again, I'm not going to keep forever. But I feel like the Jimny, especially after this weekend, if I go off-roading, well, when I go off-roading, if I have a lot of fun, I can see myself, you know, being like, all right, let's sell the Bravo and put some money into the Jimny. Let's put a light bar. Let's maybe get some off-road tires. Let's put some progressive, like, shock, springs, maybe a winch. You know what I mean? There's so many options. I feel like on the Bravo, it's kind of done. Like, there's really nothing mechanically I would do to it. It's so clean and perfect, too, where, like, I don't want to touch it too much because I don't want to, like, not ruin it, but it's already, like, perfect. There's no reason to continue to do things to it. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. I think I'm going to sell the Bravo maybe in like January, February. Not right now, so you guys don't have to comment that you want to buy it, but I think I am going to sell it. But anyways, back to the Jimny. There's still certain things about this car that I'm like, do I really want to put like a couple $1,000s into an automatic 156,000 kilometer Jimny that does have a little surface rust certain places? It is good though. It is mechanically strong and everything is good, but do I want to go too crazy, or do I want to sell this one, get another Jimny or a Pajero or J12, and then, you know, do everything to that one? Like, I'm still kind of in a decision, but I do think that I'm going to sell the Bravo regardless of all of this, just because I'm really enjoying this, like, daily life. Like, the car is peppy. Like, look, you can hear the turbo spool. I want to put a blow valve. I wanted things like that, but, like, I don't have the money to have 3 cars, which I really should sell the Miata, but that's a whole nother story. But I don't have money to put into 3 cars, 3 insurances, all that stuff. Like, it's not worth it to grow. Like, it doesn't make any sense. That's why I'm really looking forward to this weekend too, because I want to really see what it's like to go off-roading. Like, I'm not scared. Well, I'm not scared at all, but I'm scared that something's gonna go wrong, if that makes sense. Like, I would hate to get a flat out there. I would hate to get towed. I would hate for, like, I don't know, a body panel to get, I would hate to tip over and all that stuff too, but I'm not really worried about that. All right, hold on. Let's go to Taco Bell really quick.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, can I get a number 7? Thanks. Even here right now with this red light, this is another reason why I really like the Jimny. It's comfortable. It's a great mix. I said it 1,000 times already, but it's a great mix between a K truck and a K car, and I genuinely really like it. Let me give you guys a nice little pull right now. Let's do this double camera action. So we're at 20, first gear. So I have a question for you guys. What do you think that the Bravo's worth? If you're into like K trucks and stuff, what would you guys pay for it? And what do you think it's worth? So I bought it from Boyke with like 45,000 kilometers verified, not like 145,000. I think right now it has 53,000. It's 5-speed, full-time 4-wheel drive. It has a very rare high-low. It's not the 3-cylinder engine or the 4-cylinder engine. It's the 3-cylinder dual overhead cam non-turbo from the Pajero. So a pretty peppy motor, honestly. It has the cool little seats, you know, brand new tires. The rims are the same original ones. Apple CarPlay. Clean, very clean. Like, underneath, no rust. Very clean. The only where it has rust is like on the surface, on like the trunk, but it's nothing crazy. It's under the paint. I can't imagine myself taking anything around like $10,000 or less. Like, it's just too unique of a car for me to sell it for like 6, 7. Like, it just doesn't even make sense to me. For that, I would just sell the Jimny. What is this guy doing now? I don't even know what's going on right now. I'm just gonna turn. Should I even turn? Like, look at the traffic all the way from back here to that light. I'm just gonna turn. But yeah, I'm curious to know what you guys think the Bravo's worth. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking now. Let me just drive home. I'll give you guys a couple pulls. You'll see exactly why I'm kind of falling in love with the Jimny. And it really is just like the comfortability of it. Like, you know, how many times? I would have to shift like 3 times already. It's automatic, but it's still peppy. Like, you can hear the turbo spool. The one thing that I'm sure you guys can hear and you can see is that it is definitely a bumpy ride. But even if I'm just driving like this, like, and my foot isn't even on the gas right now, it's nice and quiet. And this is coming from someone that had 3K cars that all their engines were under the seat, so don't get me wrong, it does give you an amazing engine note, but it is loud. It's loud, it's kind of annoying. I'm gonna turn here. I think this is a pretty dead block. I might be able to give you guys a nice little pull right now. We got FedEx and UPS here. Let me get to 0. I'm gonna turn though and add to it. Let's just gun it. Brakes work good. Alright, so before we end this video, I'm gonna let Nathan drive the Jimny and I'll get your first thoughts. Hey. No clutch. Oh, hey!
I'm such an idiot.
Automatic life.
Hey.
It starts right up normally.
Yeah.
Is it laggy? Like gas? Okay.
No, it feels pretty good.
Alright, let's see.
It's so weird driving an automatic.
Right? Because you want to put your, like, you want to, like, shift and you can't.
Everything
go straight,
about
and then we'll make it right.
Everything about it is just a little. I can get used to this.
Right?
Though. I can definitely get used to this. Keep going?
Yeah, make it right, make it right. And you could kind of, you could gun it on this spot. And feel that turbo. Let's say your reaction on the turbo right now. Nah, it's definitely laggy. It needs to warm up more.
Yeah.
But whatever.
We'll go around the block.
Yeah. But it's nice, right? Like, it's like.
Dude, I could definitely get used to this.
It's a normal car.
Yeah, and it just.
And it has a hood.
You can actually see out of the mirrors.
This one is terrible, though.
Alright. Right?
Yeah. Like, put your foot all the way down. On that.
Oh, shit, bro.
Yeah, no, I told you it actually pulls you.
This is like a real car.
You can go straight to the light. We'll make it right then.
Can I hit it again?
Yeah. Well, there's a camera right here, though. Too fast.
Dude, that shit's nice.
It's actually like.
We gotta take this thing off road.
Yeah, you can make it right here. Well, the light's
we gotta just gun it up and down like a hill or something.
I'm going off road. Well, this Sunday. I'm gonna see how it does.
Holy crap.
You can turn right here.
Right after this truck.
Yeah.
Right? Holy crap.
No, it's actually fast. Like.
So you haven't had any problems since you fixed all the little things?
No, it's been good.
Get a mobile wash.
Yeah, I know. These are actually my guys. It's only
really?
$30.
That's not bad.
That's nothing.
That looks good too. Hit them up.
The last gun right here until we get to our house.
Turbo noise.
It's good. It actually, like, you actually hear it spool.
You gotta get an exhaust for it.
It has one. It has an exhaust leak though. But you can park behind there good.
Just right up on the corner.
Yeah.
Right. Leave it here.
But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. We're about to go to Boyke.
Pick up some cheap tires.
Get some tires. See what's good. I haven't seen a mirror in forever, but you're gonna see that in the next video. Shout out to the Jimny. What are your thoughts as of right now? Out of 10.
I might have to get one now.
Right? It's like a good mix between a van and the truck.
Oh God. I might have to
You could easily sit back here too, like. Nice large trunk.
This back seat was built for someone my size.
No, I can fit back here. Go back here easily. Like, even with the seats the way they are.
Bro.
You're more than comfortable.
This is like legit.
Yeah, like it's not like it's really good.
This is legit.
Tell me it's not a mix between a truck and a van.
It's perfect.
It's not as big as a van.
Actually, like, I would drive this every day.
Yeah, and it's automatic.
Yeah.
Which is good in my opinion.
You're gonna have fun with it.
No, I'm definitely gonna have fun with this. But yeah, catch you guys next one. Peace out.